thought of my idea. I have these BBK headers right here that I don't need anymore. So since I don't need them anymore, I figured I would do a giveaway. If I can reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a random giveaway to one of the subscribers. So they're BBK Shorty unequal linked headers that fit a Ford 5.0, 79 to 93 fox body. So if you're interested, subscribe and I'll be giving them away at just 1,000 subscribers. I wanted to make a little quick update video of what's been going on with the car. I went ahead and went backwards and did the motor mounts today. So that was pure hell, but I finally got them done. And in the morning, I'm gonna start going back together with the turbos. I did wrap my headers. I didn't do the greatest job. They're not the prettiest wrap job ever, but it'll work for them now. I've already test fitted both those charge pipes. They fit, so we're good to go there. Got some new header bolts because stock ones wouldn't fit. And yeah, everything's actually going really, really great. So tomorrow morning, I'm jumping back on it, and if everything goes like I'm planning, tomorrow night might be the first start. The only issue is going to be the turbo drain line. The oil drain is that's going to be my hardest part, but I don't really think it's going to be that bad. I'm a machinist and I drill and tap holes all the time, so I think it's going to be easy money. Figured I'd let y'all see the new motor mounts. They look a whole lot better than the trash that I had in there. I found me a stock throttle body at the junkyard just to have. I'm trying to figure out about the IAC right here, if I can just flip it around backwards to clear the turbo exhaust housing. Don't know if I can do that yet, but we're gonna figure it out. There's the other motor mount. Everything's looking good there. Went ahead and bought some new spark plugs, gaffed them at 30 thousandths. Figured 8 pounds of this won't blow that out. And this is the little adapter that I have for my oil feed lines. There's one right here on top and one going down to the bottom. And both lines come straight up. Got them going over there right now. It's a really cool adapter that worked really easy. So hopefully it don't leak. Got the flanges pretty clean here. Good enough for my book. So I'll be mounting the turbo headers back on here pretty soon. Guys, thanks for watching. And remember, if you subscribe at whenever I hit 1,000, I'm giving away these headers right here. So I know probably a lot of y'all don't have a stock fox body without headers, but if you do, they're gonna be free. I'll even pay for shipping.